Right, I'm Sean, and this is my Ford Transit. I converted it from a builder's van into a camper van for just £700. Join me and my adventures and vlogs with Project Camper and enjoy the video. Morning everybody, how's it going? Right, more van related stuff. I couldn't really stand up in the van because when I built it, it was just like a budget build, and I used everything that I could get hold of that didn't cost me anything, i.e. the roof. All the lengths of wood were all long, really long pallet wood. So, bad head, pillow head. So I couldn't really stand up in it. So now I've taken, look, see that's the wood, and that's how thick it is. And above here, we'll see I've fully insulated it now, and I can just about, I mean, if I do stand up straight, I have got trainers on, but yeah, so I've gained probably an extra 15 or 18 mil there. And there's only one screw which is there. What I've done is on the transits you've got the beams that go across, and they've got little lumps in them. Now, basically what I did, because they're the roof spars, I can't really see this van going over, and if it does then I don't think that little bit there is going to matter. But all I did is I got just a hammer and just tapped them in. Now, not a proper big hammer, lump hammer, but a proper body panel hammer, big flat edge. So it just shocks the part that you need to, to push up and nothing else. So and it's done a really good job actually. I mean, but so I can just about stand up. So yeah, so all I want to do now is just, obviously this is like a child's black paint watered down, so I want to do this edge, but I don't want to paint the roof. I quite like the grain. I mean, yeah, there's the screw, the single screw. I don't know what I can do with that, but yeah, I really like the grain. I mean, it took me ages to find this one piece of ply in wicks with a really nice grain that wasn't all wobbly. So that's my aim to do that. And also this bit of wood here stops the doors from flying open, so I've bought myself some of these little catches. I'll open the bag up. God, I have really got a pillow head, haven't I? Cool. Right, so yeah, some of these. Just, do you know what? I actually went into Wicks, and then what's the other one? B&Q, below quality. Where in there? You can't find them. Even Screwfix and Tool Station. So good old eBay. Oh yeah, talking about eBay. A little while ago when I sold my Vivaro, I used the money to buy bits and pieces for that, from that being sold on the van. So I bought a big 220 amp AGM battery. I bought my absolutely awesome marine, shoreline marine fridge freezer. And what else did I buy? Oh yeah, the Victron Energy MPTT or MPP. Was it 100/50 with all the Bluetooth stuff, and the little what's it called there? The little shunt. Now the other day, I think that was 4 months ago. I bought that stuff. The other day I came into the van and I thought, what's that smell? It smells like burning electrics. I thought, oh no. So I couldn't find anything, and it was a dull day as well, so there's no major solar. So I went on the app, on Victron Smart Energy app, and yeah, the solar panel's putting out voltage, but the solar controller, it says off, the status is off. So I went into the back of the van, and yeah, bloody hell, it absolutely stank. So there's obviously a malfunction with the unit. So this is back to the eBay thing. So I went on eBay, and I contacted the company called LED is On. I think they've got about 1,400 feedbacks, just under 15. And my feedback is not far off theirs. So yeah, they're a company. And so I rang them up, and got a really obnoxious person, I won't say where they're from, saying that I did something wrong. Well, if I'd have done something wrong, I would have done it wrong on the day I fitted it, not 4 months later. Anyway, so he said, oh, okay, yeah, sorry, I apologise. So I said, okay, can you sort out some kind of collection? And you can get it picked up, or by post it or whatever, and go from there. So anyway, haven't heard anything. So I texted them again, emailed them, and he said, in the email, got back, we're waiting for Victron Energy. Well, in the meantime, I contacted another company that sell Victron Energy stuff by the bucket loads. And they said basically what they do, they receive the item back, they have a quick look at it, then they have a conversation with Victron in the Netherlands, and it goes back to them, or it gets replaced. If it gets replaced, it's a matter of a week. If it's not, it goes to the Netherlands, and it takes longer. That's from a proper Victron Energy supplier. So I really wish now I'd have actually gone to this other company, because they're not too far away. They're about 30-40 miles away, and actually deliver to a company where I work next door. So it'd have been really easy to just use them, but obviously with eBay you think you're going to get some kind of protection, seller protection or buyer protection. Nothing. So the only thing is now, do I open up a case against them or whatever, because they're so despondent, and what with everything happening in my personal life, with being ripped off for the money for the van, which that's neither here or there, and then my new MacBook Pro just doing nothing the other day. So I spent all day yesterday, or all afternoon yesterday, on the phone to Apple, reinstalling the operating system, and luckily that's all back and running. So yeah, it's all been going on. So yeah, today I want to change those little latches that are going to go there, and paint the edge here, and hopefully it'll be hunky-dory. So oh yeah, still got a few stickers left. I'll put a link down below, and if you want a sticker, put £3 in the old PayPal account, put it as a gift. I don't know why, some people have been doing it and it's been £3, and other people have been putting it in, paying £3, and well, I'll get charged. And I thought, well, these stickers are only £3, others are 5. I just want to give something back to the people who are subscribing. So all it is to cover the costs, and then when PayPal take money out, you just think, oh, there goes the price of a stamp. But anyway, £3, £3, and yeah. So what's the voltage that we've got now? So 1256, because solar controller is not working. I've put a cheap I had a cheap one, is it PWM? About 15 quid. And it absolutely does nothing on a dull day. No battery, you know, it doesn't collect any solar. And now that's where I miss the Victron stuff, because even on a dull day, it's just pulls in, you know, power from nowhere. Just makes a little sun up on its own, I think. It's really good. That Victron stuff really is good. So I really want it back in one piece. So this is a little update, and oh yeah, 849 subscribers now. Cool. So yeah, if you saw my video the other day, I'm trying to get a little bit fitter, climb up Mount Snowden in the winter. I don't know if that's a stupid idea or not, but you know, it's something I want to do, and I want to take the van because I've re-insulated it. That's the reason why this is up. Proper insulation, because before, when I insulated it, I noticed when you turn the lights on, you can see all the dust particles. So I've taken, as I say, I took all the roof off and everything, and vapour barriered it. I've got that recycled bottle top stuff, or recycled bottles, and put that on there. And then I'll put some more bubble wrap foil stuff on there, and then more vapour barrier, and then I'll silver foil taped everything, absolutely everything, and then I'll put this back up, and there's no dust in here whatsoever. So yeah, so anyway, I'm going to break out my tools. Oh yeah, I don't know if I've ever showed you, but you want power tools in your van, I've got my walkie stuff, and I've got this, and it's got the cigarette style lighter or AC outlet plug on it, so I can charge up both the 18 volt and the 12 volt stuff. It's really good, that is. And I'll put it into there. I've got to do something with that hole, because obviously that's where I've had to raise the bed up to get the fridge freezer in. As I said, I love this fridge freezer. It's even, you know, it's like, so that's where I'm going to put all my stickers. I've got the Camper Vibe one there, look, from the girls, and I've got Ash's on the back and Luke's on the back, so I really want to get some more, so I can put them on there, because I think me and the camper van are going to be partners for a while. So gonna just enjoy what I got, to be fair. I did, as I said, I did want the Sprinter because I wanted a motorbike in the back, but it's not going to happen now. Right, it's all done. All the edging, all the way around. Wow, my finger follows the roof perfect. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm not decided what I want to do with this though. I don't know if I want to leave it like that or put some kind of, I don't know, gloss, or just a matte finish, just to stop it from soaking up any kind of smell, because I suppose being natural wood, it will soak up odour or whatever. So I might just put a stain on it, or a natural stain, just to stop it from absorbing anything really. And but yeah, just being in here, just doing this bit here, I've spun the chair around at the front there, and it is so warm in here. So yeah, anyway, happy days. I need to go and sort out my pillow head. See you in the next video.